made it to Saturday. What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video, we're going to be announcing the winner to my 200 subscriber giveaway. So as you all know, my channel did hit 200 subscribers, and to show my gratitude, I wanted to host a 200 subscriber giveaway where I just show you that I love giving back to y'all because y'all give so much to me, and I appreciate the support you give to my channel, the interaction that I have with you guys. It's amazing. You are the people that really make doing YouTube fun. So let's go ahead and cut to the chase because I know you guys want to know who the winner is of this giveaway. So I have my notebook here with my list of names. Some of them I have usernames. Some of them I actually have your screen name on Snapchat. So you'll recognize who you are when I call your name. So how this is going to work is everybody is going to have a number. And that number, I'm going to use an app that's going to randomly select one number. And you're going to be the winner. So let's get into it. So I have my iPhone right here, and this is the app I'm going to be using to select the winner. And we actually had exactly 40 people enter the giveaway. So let's go ahead and do this. I would love to do this dramatically, but I don't really know how to do it, but I'm going to go ahead and select the winner. So good luck. And the winner is number 11. So let's see who number 11 is. Tomas. Wow. So that's pretty cool, man. Hey, you won. As you see, I did the this random thing, and I wanted to show you on the screen so that way y'all see I'm not cheating. And as you did see, matter of fact, here is my actual list because I don't like cutting these videos because I want to make sure that everybody thinks it's, legit. I don't want people to think I'm cheating. But there's my list, and here's the other side of my list. Oops. So I did give everybody numbers beforehand, and it just happened to be that Tomas won. So congratulations to Tomas, and I just want to thank everybody that has joined my giveaway. You guys are awesome. As I said before, the subscribers, you all make this so fun. If I was just creating content, then I can go do that for somebody else. But because I'm creating it for y'all and I interact with y'all, it just makes it awesome. So I thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for all the comments below. Thanks for all the likes on my videos. Thanks for always being there. Just thank you. So stick with my channel, and I'm going to be giving away more things as time goes on when I reach certain goals, just to show that I want to give back to my subscribers because, like I said, you guys are awesome. So that wraps it up for my winning announcement for the 200 subscriber giveaway. And again, remember that when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away an iPhone. So yeah, help me out with that. So thanks for watching. And if you're a little late on this video, maybe you missed the giveaway already, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a like. Check out some other videos so you can stay tuned for more giveaways and so you can learn how to Apple without the E.